Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, they say is now sharing palliative to women of Imo State. May they go vote for them ahead election. This is happening before our eyes. They say that the Fulani, they say Fulani don't send you boho. Say if you withdraw that statement, ultimatum wey give to Fulanis for their village to evacuate. Say as in they provoke now, see that they provoke, then we be Fulani too go pursue all Yorubas wey dey for Fulani land or wey dey for north. No be smart, as we dey talk that one, they say everybody for Nigeria now wey be say they get resources, especially the people from the people wey get oil, wey be say the one people just take and say na their business, especially when you come to anything concerning Southeast or concerning other like Niger Delta there. If they open any bunker, maybe people wey get the land, they take small thing, they go carry army come dey shoot them. But gold wey dey for Zamfara, private jet they carry and comot up to today after the video leak. They no dey chase anybody, they mine the gold for there. They no dey chase anybody. We'll go find out how this thing still happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And if not today they come across this channel, you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hi, may you quickly go subscribe and turn your notification bell for a quick update. And also follow our Facebook page as it dey hot. Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, agents are sharing palliative to women in villages to vote for APC ahead election, asking them to show their PVC and their voters card so that they can take it picture and other things. This is happening in Imo State. So we are going to bring up the videos of the moment they're asking the women to show them their PVC. And you see the little rice they give to them. But I want to say this thing before I bring this video up. Please call your mother, your auntie in Imo State, if you are from Imo State, to stay away from this evil food they are sharing to them. At that minute they want to do election, is not sharing them 3 cups of rice. Oh my God, things are happening. Okay, let's bring the video up for you to watch. Welcome back. As you have watched this video, and this is what is going on in Imo State as we are speaking now, that the Hope Uzodinma agents are sharing cups of rice to the mothers in Imo State, which is the women in Imo State, in order for them to vote them for coming election. No be smart, I beg, tell your mother to stay away from this evil rice. May I jump for waiting they happen? They say Sunday Bohona and the Hausa people they battle and with Northerners and Funanis. Fulani don't treat Yoruba. Say if Sunday Bohona stop waiting they do now, say they go pursue all Yorubas where they for northern side. No be smart, things are really happening. Sunday Bohona don't tell all the Funanis where we say where they rear cattle. They commit evil for inside their forest. Say may they come out immediately. And now these people can't threat them. Say if they do so, they also pursue their own people where they for north. Things are happening. They are going to tell the Yorubas in the north also to leave north immediately. My people, let's bring the video up for you to watch and see what thing they go on as they hot.
every Nigerian has a right to live in any part of the country. Just of recent, Sunday Igboho was released from prison, but he issued a fresh ultimatum for Fulani community that are residing in Yoruba land to leave the region within 10 days. This time around, we, the Northern Consensus Movement of Nigeria, will do everything possible to stop that move. And if he refuses to listen if he resists to listen, then we have no option rather than to ask Yorubas that are resident in the northern Nigeria to also go back to their region. On the issue of compensation for our victims as a result of NSAS killing, Shasha Akinyele market killings, IPOP and ESN killings, we have been pursuing it for some years now. Since previous administration, a lot of promises were made, but still the federal government refused to fulfill the promise. So we are requesting Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on this issue of compensation to do something on it, as we are given 4 weeks ultimatum. If nothing is being done, then we are actually going a peaceful protest, peaceful demonstration, after which we will shut down the country on all food supplies moving from north to all southern part of the country. This thing we have sent to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu even before he was inaugurated as president. And as President Commander-in-Chief, we have also forwarded this demand and request. All security agencies, the head of security agencies of this country are aware of it. All governors of 19 northern states, all former leaders, the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, most especially those that come from the north, are aware of it. The Northern Traditional Council are aware of it. The 19 northern state assemblies are also aware of this issue. It's not a new matter. We have been pursuing this issue since during the NSAS, the Shasha Akinyele market killings, and that of the ESN and Nnamdi Kanu's killings. The National Assembly, I repeat, is fully aware of it under Senator Ahmed Lawan. That was mentioned specifically, and a bill was passed in that respect. So we are saying and demanding that the President and Commander-in-Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu first pay.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, you know, you don't hear them. He said they are going to shut down the country by the full supply, whether they bring come for other parts, maybe they eat. We don't tell what we don't they talk this thing. Any tribe for Nigeria, may una start they grow on our own food. They start they grow your own food. Your land can grow anything. All these food trade done too much. What compensation are they talking about? What of the people wey Fulani buy for the whole bushes? Who go compensate those people? He said the hypocrite and the ignorant wey dey na the thing too much. Now una go carry cow enter people farm. Now no go, if the person talk, now no go buy the person. Okay, the thing done too much. People can't create security for themselves. Okay, now una see come outside say they don't buy on our people. Oh, where Nigeria they go safe? May would they watch now? May Bola Ahmed Tinubu go compensate them. May they make him go carry money give them. Now Sunday Igboho don't sit talk say my farmland our farm they take it don't do more na come up for that place. They don't begin the threat Nigeria, they threat everybody. And nothing will happen because now saying Nigeria on our own. But this time around, you go red for now. No be smart thing. Let's quickly jump into this particular video I want to show you right now. Listen very, very carefully in this video and understand something, that something is going on. You see, you remember say one time like that, there was now a video leak. This video showed this in private jet. This private jet is taking gold from Zamfara and other part of the north and going outside Nigeria. You know that they are still mining this gold in those areas, and this gold they are not bringing it into Nigeria, whatever, to share it as the way they are sharing all your money. You see the country with the inside. Let's watch the video together.
Oil bunkering and the rest. The government is very, very active. But we don't see them, we don't see corresponding activeness on the issue of illegal mining that is happening in Zamfara and other places, depriving Nigeria of the needed revenue for development. When we come to fora like this, that issue is not raised. What is really happening in Nigeria? Thank you.
am from Puerto Rico, where there are many oil flow stations. But believe you me, we don't even have a drinking water. Not to talk of a secondary school. I schooled in Benue State, Chilegado College. I am one of the pioneers students. My father was a fisherman in Benue River. And that's why I was opportune to school in Benue State, Chilegado College, 1974. Now, the last discussant say they have uncountable security agencies in the riverine area to check bunkering. Good enough. Good enough. What a jolly fellow you are. Good enough. That is good. You have killed all of our boys. We don't have money. It's when I travel to the village, I buy garri. I buy fish, carton of ice fish to go and share for my people. Because of our village, there's no more fish in the river. Now you say, federal government, you don't even give up secondary school. And you have the God enough to budget trillions to buy aircraft.
Madam.
No. No.
Next question.
I'm ready to die for my people. I'm ready to die for my people.
Excuse me.
The world, the international world is hearing me. I tell you over here and I, let us tell you over here and I, first court.
You have made your point, madam. Can you relieve her of that
You got to kill us. You got to kill us. You got to kill us.
Thank you. You have made your point. You have made our point. Let me hold on.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched this video, no be smart, a country where we say if people wake up, they will still go because they don't already create so many touts, so many drunkards, so many people will be say give them 500 Igbo money or anything, then they go do anything where you ask them to do. Once e don set like this, they come call all their dogs where they put inside house, then come share them money. They come dey fight their fellow youth where they protest or try to do something right. So tell me how this country fit move forward. You see wetin they talk for here? For Bayelsa, for Port Harcourt, for Abia State, for Imo State, for many places, even some they go set explosive, give the bunkering areas. Once they start, the thing will explode, kill many people. Make them not talk say na then go buy them. But illegal mining wey be say they mine gold comot for the country. The money no dey surface for country money, but one part just dey embezzle that money. We will come outside, we go shout one Nigeria. If you watch this video, share this video so that many people need to see wetin dey go on for this country. Share the video and don't forget to follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.